Hey there! Have you been wondering if you can use your Newton wallet to buy, sell, and trade Tether USDT? Or maybe you're looking to send Bitcoin BTC from your Newton wallet to another wallet or exchange? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll answer the following questions. Does Newton wallet support USDT? How to send BTC from Newton? I'll also provide some additional tips and information about using Newton wallet. Does Newton wallet support USDT? Yes, Newton wallet supports USDT. You can buy, sell, and trade USDT using the Newton app. How to send BTC from Newton? Sending BTC from Newton is easy. Here are the steps. Open the Newton app. Tap on the Send button. Enter the address of the wallet you want to send BTC to. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Tap on the Send button. Your BTC will be sent to the wallet you specified. You can also send BTC from Newton to your bank account. You can use Newton to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, ETH, and Litecoin LTC. Newton offers a variety of features, such as price alerts, portfolio tracking, and a secure wallet. Conclusion: Newton Wallet is a great option for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. It's easy to use and offers a variety of features. I hope this video has helped you learn more about using Newton Wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.